Hi, I'm Dave, and this is a 1-minute library hack. Let's look at finding a known article's full text. Begin by copying the first 7 to 10 words of a title. In this case, we'll take Student Perceptions of Spirituality and Spiritual Care. Then go to the library's main page by typing in apu.edu/library. Scroll down a little bit and click in the box Search Everything and paste the title. Then click on Search. The journal should show in the first or second record. Then click on View Full Text. You may be asked to be authenticated. Click where it says Log in with your APU CAS account, and then type in your APU net ID and your password. Then look for the PDF button. This has been a 1-minute library hack.